Oh yeah, that's done. That's done, bro.
Ready for this 392 to get out the shop, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you can line it up.
Yes, sir.
Happy birthday, dog.
You know,
Here we go. We go, man. Pizza, everything, bro. Like, oh shit, that's for me? Yeah. I was hooping for my birthday. I'm like,
from where I'm from, then you would know that we got a crowd down with the trunk popped up, sitting on foes as we tip slow. You know what it is, we do this every day. So pull up your cup and throw the H up, and let me hear the city say, we pulling up and it's all
what
because
up, y'all? It's your boy Hot Ride 936. You know, got the new Hot Ride shirt on today. Thanks for Tasha for making them for me. You know, I'm gonna be handing out a couple shirts today at this meet we going to. But right now, we about to head to this taco truck, man. It's the best in El Paso. It's called Taco Penzones. I'm gonna video it when I get there. Man, they have like the best things ever. The bitter tacos, the bitter ramen, and they have like these pineapple things with all the chamoy and stuff, man. Y'all cannot beat it. But yeah, family getting in a Jeep. Yeah, I didn't save my car because my car's in the shop still. It's been there about a month or two. But I want them to do everything right, so take the time with it and everything. And maybe in 2 weeks, y'all will be seeing the hottest video on YouTube. Guaranteed. But for now, we about to get to it. I'm about to whip the Jeep real quick, and then later on we got this meet, and I will be handing out shirts for the best description of my first car I ever had. I told them, so they got to like, subscribe, share, and then they have to describe the first car I ever had. Whoever gets the best description wins one shirt. I might have an extra shirt to give out just in case it's like a close tie, so we'll see what it is, y'all. We out here. All right, we just now pulling up. I see my boy Garcia here. He already in line. About to go mess with him. All right, now stay in the car, okay? All right, be right here. Ready? Gotta put my mask on real quick. Oh, all of it now. Stay in the car. All right, be right back, okay? Get in line. It's already getting long, so I'm gonna get in line real quick before it gets too long and everybody starts showing up. They're taking forever to order. See, he got his badges on his car now. All right, I see. Slow 392. How good? See the charger. It says Muscle Elite. All right, shout them out. Give them a little shout out. Man, oh, there go E. I guess he got my tag too. Yep. What's up, bro? What? Trying it out, or you been here before?
Trying out.
It's the best, dude. Yeah. Heck, I've been tagging everybody in it all day, trying to get them to come out here. Yeah. There you go. You gonna make it out to the meet or what?
What meet?
At 5.
Who's on?
I'm doing one at 5, and then we're gonna drive to another spot where they're having like a raffle and everything.
Send me that.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, man, but this place is good, dude. What you get?
Quesadilla, the taco one.
Yeah.
And then I got the soup.
Man, oh, you got the ramen?
Yeah.
Man, you gonna love it, bro. It's real good.
Yeah.
They got the pineapples, but I haven't tried that pineapple drink yet.
Yeah, I was looking at that.
Yeah, I heard it's good, man.
Shit, where's your car at? What happened to it?
It's in the shop.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm getting a little paint job done to it,
Okay.
a couple more things. You know, I got everybody guessing, so I'm not trying to
stop. I'll keep up with you now.
Yo, what you got in there?
I got some shit coming in.
Oh, I was about to say, you put it in already?
Nah, not yet.
Yeah. All right. What's up, man? What's up? You went to that meet, the Cars and Coffee?
Yeah, I was there for a little bit.
Yeah. How was it?
That's pretty good.
Man. I was gonna come out there, like, nah. I ain't trying to go too many places today. Man.
Yeah, I went to it. It was bad.
Yeah. You ain't stay long either?
Nah.
Are they doing anything special out there?
Nope.
Man.
Just a chill mood.
Yeah. Man. You see my tag?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, I just had a tag, and I was like, oh man, he right here. Yeah. Man, this place good. You ever tried it?
I just got Buffalo Wild Wings.
Oh.
I was on the way back. I was like, man, you know, I'm in the area. So.
Man, you missing out, bro. Probably like the best taco truck in El Paso. Man. You gonna spin or what?
Come on today.
Yeah.
I'm like,
What's up, man?
I need my tire spun shit. What I need.
Y'all going to a warehouse?
Nah, over there at the spot I'm talking about.
Where the old, like,
By
stadium
Walmart?
was?
Yeah.
I went there last time, man. Look, I got done. The police pulled up.
Really?
Yeah. Like the video there.
Was that the last one?
Uh-huh.
Okay, yeah.
Police pulled up. As soon as I
I'll
parked, I'm like,
probably spin them.
Uh,
Last night I went racing and I fucking went sideways. Bad.
For real?
Everywhere.
Oh, man. Yeah, every time I've been over there, the police really ain't bother us. They just pass by and
I don't know.
everything.
I don't know. I guess they got it out for me.
That bright orange.
Wasn't even that. I went stupid. I guess I went too crazy.
Yeah.
Is it always packed here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, always.
All right.
Just got done with the taco truck. Headed to the meat spot. About to go see who all show up and everything. See a whole bunch of cars. You going? Ain't gonna make that mistake to turn right there this time. I'm gonna go all the way around the first time. Nah, not in the Jeep. Can't do that. See what it's looking like. Alright, we just getting here. Alright. Oh man, a couple people beat us already. We was trying to get here early, but nah, that's the crew, so we good. Acting like I was just trying to pull over the video real quick. Didn't work out.
You got the van?
Oh yeah, the van ready.